Hi! In this video, we're going to learn how we can use pseudocode to plan our programs and comments to make them more readable. Let's go! It is important to plan our programs before we dive into coding. As our problems get more complex, it will become more and more helpful to take a moment to plan our programs out before using computer syntax. We are basically writing a roadmap to make sure that our plan for tackling the problem is successful and efficient. Think of the task of driving to a new supermarket. If you've never been there before and you just get in the car and start driving, you might make it all the way there, but it may not have been the most efficient route. But if you take a few minutes to plan out directions before you get in the car, you'll make sure that your route is direct and successful. We use pseudocode to write out the steps of a problem in English before translating them into code that the computer will understand. Let's take a look at what pseudocode actually looks like and how we use it to plan a program. Let's say our task was to blink the middle LED on our microbit every half a second forever. Our pseudocode might look something like this, where we are breaking the problem into steps, but just writing every step in plain English. We can then use our pseudocode to easily translate our program into Python or whatever programming language we're using. Including the pseudocode steps ensures that we have fully thought out all parts of the problem and limits the amount of bugs that enter our programs. This pseudocode can be entered into our programs as comments, which are phrases we write in plain English to give more information about the decisions we made while programming. This might seem a little unnecessary now, but as we develop larger and more complicated programs, following these guidelines will greatly reduce the amount of time you spend coding and debugging. Let's look at how comments are written in Python. There are two types of comments we can write in Python, an inline comment and a multi-line comment. Inline comments can be used throughout your code, anywhere you want to record information or add explanations. To write an inline comment in Python, start the line with the number sign, and then type your comment next to it. Everything after the number sign on that line will change color. This is the computer's way of showing that it recognizes your comment and will not try to run or interpret anything written there. Multi-line comments are often used at the beginning of your code to describe the problem your program is solving. In Python, multi-line comments are written using triple quotation marks. To create one, start with 3 quotes, write your comment on the lines below, and then end with another set of 3 quotes. Everything between the opening and closing quotes will be treated as a comment, and the text will change color to show that Python will not try to run it. Comments are also very helpful when debugging our programs. As our programs get longer and more complex, they will perform multiple actions. To help isolate the part of the program that is causing the problem, we could put different parts of our program inside comments so only the uncommented out lines will run. Now let's use our knowledge of pseudocode and comments to plan and develop more programs.